Have you ever felt stuck? Like you're just going through the motions? That was me. Every morning, the same alarm, the same commute, the same office, the same tasks, day after day. It was 2025, and I was tired of the 9-to-5 grind. Don't get me wrong, I was grateful to have a job, especially in this economy, but something was missing. I felt like I was meant for more. I craved creativity and freedom. I wanted to be my own boss and make my own schedule. I knew I couldn't stay stuck forever. I needed a change, a way to break free from the monotony and pursue my passions. Little did I know a chance encounter was about to change everything. It all came to a head one evening. My car broke down. It was the third major expense that month. I sat there staring at the repair bill, feeling utterly defeated. How could I ever get ahead like this? I needed a side hustle, a way to earn extra income and regain control of my finances. That night, I dove into the world of online side hustles. I researched everything from freelance writing to virtual assisting, but nothing felt quite right. Some seemed too complicated, others required specific skills I didn't have. I was starting to lose hope. Exhausted from my search, I stumbled across a website called wap.com. It was a platform for selling digital products. Digital products? What were those? As I scrolled through the site, I was amazed. People were selling everything from online courses and ebooks to templates and printables. It was like a digital marketplace for creativity and knowledge. The best part? wap.com made it incredibly easy to get started. They provided all the tools I needed to create my online shop, list my products, and start selling. And their fees were incredibly low, making it a risk-free option for someone like me just starting. Inspired by my recent car troubles, I decided to create a budget planner. I had always been good with money, and I knew others struggled with budgeting. So, I spent a few evenings designing a simple, easy-to-use planner that helped people track their income, expenses, and savings goals. I listed my budget planner on wap.com, and honestly, I was excited but also kind of terrified. Would anyone actually buy it? To my surprise, within a few days, I made my first sale. I couldn't believe it. Someone out there valued my creation enough to spend their hard-earned money on it. That first sale, it really lit a fire in me. I started creating more digital products, meal planning templates, social media calendars, even a guide to starting a side hustle. And with each sale, my confidence grew. I started promoting my wap.com shop on social media, sharing my story and the value my products offered. Slowly but surely, my side hustle grew. I was earning more than I ever thought possible. And then, it happened. The day I had been dreaming of arrived. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I was finally my own boss, free to set my own hours, work from anywhere, and pursue my passions. It wasn't always easy. There were late nights and moments of doubt, but it was all worth it. wap.com gave me the platform and the tools to turn my dreams into reality. And you know what? You can do it too. Don't let fear hold you back. Take that first step, discover your passion, and start building the life you deserve. The world is waiting for your unique gifts. Now it's your turn. Imagine where you could be a few months from now if you just take that first step today. Maybe you have an idea, a skill, or a passion you've always wanted to share with the world, or maybe you're not sure where to start, and that's okay too. Here's what I want you to do next. Drop your story, your questions, or even your fears in the comments below. Let's build this journey together. Or, if you're ready, write the script for your own next chapter. What does your dream life look like? How will you make it happen? I'll be reading your responses and featuring some of your stories in future videos, so don't be shy. Remember, every success story starts with a single step. This is your invitation, your blank page, your chance to begin. So, what does your Chapter 6 look like? You've taken the leap and started your journey. But remember, building something meaningful is a marathon, not a sprint. The first sale is exciting, but sustaining success means showing up, learning, and adapting every single day. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your wins, no matter how tiny they seem. Connect with other creators on wap.com, share your progress, and don't be afraid to ask for feedback or help. Keep refining your digital product, listen to your customers, update your content, and keep the value flowing. The digital world is always evolving, and so are you. Embrace the challenges as lessons, and let every setback fuel your comeback. Visualize where you want to be a year from now. What habits will get you there? What new skills can you learn along the way? Remember, consistency is your secret weapon. You're not just building a product, you're building your freedom, your future, and a community that grows with you. Stay persistent, stay creative, and above all, keep moving forward. Your long-term success story starts today.